What's going on, you guys? Tashay Osho Lee, 989 Radio. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I'm back for a little while. It's been very busy. My life's been very busy. Started a new career, so a lot of things had to change. But I'm back as long as I can be. Trying to stay consistent, but I want to say thank you for those subscribers who have stayed with me for the past 4 months. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm going to try my best to put out more videos as I can because my work life is very busy. Starting this new career. So thank you again. Thank you. But today, let's talk about XRP and what's been happening these last 4 months. So, if you have noticed XRP has been taking a fall, has been honestly being like breaking news, okay? But this is no cause to worry, okay? XRP price could fall toward $1.03 without breaking long-term uptrend analyst. Now, a lot of people are fearful. A lot of people are confused on why such a commodity as XRP. We just had XRP Las Vegas. Brad Garlinghouse just had the live interview at CoinDesk. So what is going on? Why the low price? And also the consolidation of, G Treasury, along with Frank Templeton, and also the XRP being in the stock market, for the old brokerage for traditional money. Why such a downturn? But here's the thing, we have big gains. There's a lot of confusion. Why the downfall? Why the climatic buy? Why the downtrend? Good question. The thing is that it's still up in the air. There is no right answer. I'm not going to sit here and say, here's the answer why, and this is what's going on. But here's a speculation of why I think that it is. The thing is, in my opinion, there's too much money being printed, and they're trying to figure out where do we put the old money that we can't pay into the new digital system. How are we going to offload the bad debt into the new market? And I believe that XRP is playing a very significant role of pretty much getting that money, old traditional money, to the new digital money, so they can pay off the settlements. Because they did over what was the word that Brad Garlinghouse said during CoinDesk? He mentioned that they did over, was it 15 billion or was it 15 trillion? Don't quote me here. But it was a big number of pre-settlements of old money, of bonds, treasuries, and stuff like that. A big, very big number. Now, the decline, I'm going to read it here. XRP has fallen to around $1.16, and they're losing more than 3% in a day. Ennis argues that a retreat toward the $1.50 area could form part of a longer consolidation rather than the start of a deeper downtrend. According to data from Crypto News, XRP price traded near $1.16 on June 4th, extending a pullback that has accompanied renewed weakness across the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin briefly slipped down 62,000 during the session as a risk appetite deteriorated amid concerns over global growth. Elevated oil prices, uncertainty around the Federal Reserve's rate cut path. Yeah, I forgot to mention that too. That one did play a big role. It really did. The declines coming as XRP Ledger ecosystem prepares for another network upgrade. Earlier this week, XRP Ledger Operation announced that version 3.20 will soon be deployed, introducing transition from long-running Ripple software to XRP LD. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff, because pretty much I just told you what's going on with RHOD, the transition of old money to new money to make pre-settlements and stuff like that, and why that is. And also let's talk about the good news, okay? Here's how much $1,000 XRP could be worth in 5 years, okay? So down here, bull cases, it gives you the number. So the bottom line, here are the 3 cases laid out in a table. All right, so bull in 5 years, $4, $3,000, $3,077. That's a 208% return. Base medium is $1.50. You get $1,154 return. 15% return, and bear 40 cent. $308. That's a 69% return. They said I believe that most likely outcome is somewhere between the base and bear case. I fully believe that XRP price has almost completely decoupled from Ripple and the success. So despite my belief that Ripple itself will do well, I think XRP in for some tough years ahead. And a $1,000 investment today will be 3 digits in 5 years. Okay, so let's talk about should you buy it. I mean, obviously, you should definitely buy it. Okay, here's the thing. Every major company has gone through a shift of, falling short, and, and it always happens, okay? I'm not trying to, white knight for XRP. I'm not. But during this interview with CoinDesk with Brad Garlinghouse, he said that mostly in a year by 2030 or 2031, the market cap for XRP will allegedly be around $3 trillion. So if it's $3 trillion market cap worth of XRP, that means that per coin would be around $54, if not $54.12. So depending on how much you bought, being 1,000 XRP or 2,000 or 10,000, you multiply that by $54, and then you'll have your total amount of what you'll have. And I would be sitting pretty. I would be sitting pretty good, if I'm being honest with you. So I can wait 5 years, man. Rome was built in a day, and I believe that XRP is gonna be well. I have no bad energy or no bad faith toward XRP. I believe that they know what they're doing, and slowly America is behind, and South Korea, Japan, every other sovereign country is already ahead. They're already doing what's necessary for XRP. America is the one that's behind. So that's the only thing that with that. Now, when I look at the chart, a lot of people would think and say, you know what? This right here is not good. This right here is tasty. This is absolutely delicious. Now, the reason why I say this is because I don't care how that. Listen, I have my set lows down to 50 cents. The best metaphor or example I could give you is: would you buy XRP at $100 or would you buy XRP at 50 cents? Would you buy your favorite shoe or your favorite food at the highest price, or would you buy it at the lowest price at a discount? Of course, you're gonna buy your favorite food or whatever at the lowest price at a discount, because you get more for what you buy. Why wait until it becomes a higher price where you can basically afford it? We have made the same mistake thousands of times. I did it myself. Did it with Bitcoin, did it with Ethereum, I did it with Solana. I'm not gonna miss out on XRP and also other coins I'm investing as well too. I'll list them like XLM, Hedera, Cardano, Quant. One that my second best friend does. I forgot what it's called. It's gonna irritate me. What is it called? Nope. Whatever. I'll probably put it right beside me, because it's gonna irritate me if I can't figure it out. But anyways, yeah. When it comes to seeing this climatic fall, I see more of a climatic buy. Right now they're just going through a retest. Let it retest. You know what I'm saying? Let it retest. And when there's fear, you buy, and that's all you have to do. Now, if I give future, let's say speculations of what the price is going to be in the future, I'm not going to say up, because it's very broad, but I mean, I expect it to be, I want to say it would be $3 by the end of this year. Back at it again. A little green there, because it's really hard right now to trace it, because how everything's going on right now in America. There's a lot going on. So it's pretty much hard to track it. The behavior is erratic. It's all over the place, and it's annoying. Just as me trying to figure out what coin my friend buys all the time, because it's going to irritate me. My gosh. It irritates me. Whatever. Anyway, man, I'm back for how long I can be. It's good to be back. It's good to actually record again and talk about, cryptocurrency and stuff like that. It is really, really fun. But that's it for today, man. I'm all talked out. I gotta go. But you guys have a great, wonderful day. Love you guys. Up to Sheo Lee on A9 Radio. Seems I'm okay. Peace.